Assalamu alaikum, this is Muhammad Khair, math teacher of KKI schools. Our lesson today is compare rates. Our objective is how I can compare rates to solve problems.
The solve and share problem. Rick and Nikki or remote control. Cars. They use a stopwatch to record the speeds of each car. Ricky's car travels 150 feet every 30 seconds. Nikki's car travels 80 feet in 20 seconds. Whose car faster? Solve this problem any way you choose.
Thank you, Yaman. And now we have to use the unit rate to compare between two rates. Okay, what we mean by unit rate? For example, if you have this rate, we have two rates here, okay? But let us take it one rate by one, okay? The first rate, it is what? It is 150 feet. 150 feet in how many seconds? In 30 seconds. In 30 seconds. Okay, boys? What's the mean of unit rate? The unit rate, that's mean you have to make the time 1. Where is the time, up or down? It is 30 seconds, yes? How I make the time 1? How I make the 31? By divide by itself, yes? So 30 divided 30 equal 1. So because I divide down by 30, I have to divide up by 30. What I do up, I do down. What I do down, I do up. So I will divide both, divide by 30 and divide by 30. Then what I have to get? Down, it is clear to get 1. Yes, it is 1. And up, we cancel the 0 with the 0. 15 divided by 3 equal 5. Okay, I erase this. Erase it, not cancel it. And it is 5. So 5 feet in 1 second. This, the first one. I'm done. Now the second one, 80 feet in 20 seconds. Okay, 80 feet in 20 seconds. Now what we said, we have to use the unit rate. What we have to use? The unit rate. What is the unit rate means? That's mean make the time 1. Make the time equal 1. What is the time here? 20 seconds. How I make the 21? By divide by itself, which equal 20. So here we divide up and down by 20. So I divide by 20 here to make the time equal 1 unit, okay? Okay, and because I divide down, I have to divide up. Now what I get down, I get 1 second, yes? Okay, 1 second. I get 1 second. Okay, and what I get up, divide 80 by 20, the 0 cancelled with the 0. 8 divided by 4 equal 8 divided by 2 equal 4. So I write here 4. So 4 feet in 1 second. Which is faster? 5 feet in 1 second or 4 feet in 1 second? So it is 5 feet in 1 second. So the first car, okay, 50 feet every 30 seconds, okay, which is the Ricky car, okay, here, Ricky car is faster. Let us take another example. For example, this one. Ethan Swami 11 laps in the pool in 8 minutes. Austin swam 7 laps in the same pool in 5 minutes. They're fighting. I'm faster, Ethan said, and Austin. So, which is faster? Can you judge between them? I think yes. You take the first rate and write it as a unit rate. So, the first rate, it is 11 over 8. And what is the units or the quantities? It is laps and minutes. Okay, I have to use the unit rate. Remember the unit rate. I use it to compare between two rates. Yes? And how I find the unit rate? The teacher said I have to make the number that represent the time 1. What is the number that represent the time? See? This one. 8 minutes. All of time you try to make the number that represent the time, minutes, seconds, hours, okay, years, okay, you try to make it 1. How I make the 8 1? Yes, by divided by itself, which equal 8. So 8 divided by 8. 8 divided by 8, I divide up and down by 8. Yes? So here I erase everything. Sorry, I will not erase everything. I erase this and write 1. Okay, it is 1 minute. And up 11 divided 8. So you are a good in math, yes? So you can divide. We learned how to divide 11 by 8, yes? 11 by 8. How many 8 in 11? It is 1. 1 by 8 equal 8. Subtract. I have 3. I have remainder. Don't stop. Raise a decimal point and put 0 here. Now, how many 8 in 30? Yes? How many 8 in 30? There are I think 3. 3, it is 24. 6. 0. Okay, now, how many 8 in 60? There are a 5 or a 7. Yes, 7. There are a 7. 7 by 8 equals 56. And I have 4 here, then 40, then 5. So this is the first I get. So I erase everything here. Yes. And the 11 too. And write it is 1. It is 1.37. Yes, say with me. 5. So the first rate, he make 1.375,000 laps. It is less than 2 laps in 1 minute. Okay. Now let us check the second one. Okay. The second one makes 7 laps. See? 7 laps in 5 minutes. So we write 7 over 5. Yes, as we learned. 7 over 5. He makes 7 laps, okay, in 5 minutes. And the teacher said you have to use the unit rate. How I find the unit rate? By divide the number that represent the time, which is 5 minutes, by itself to get 1. So 5 divided 5 equal 1. Yes, so divide up and down by the same number, divided 5 and divided 5. Okay, 5 divided 5 give me 1, yes? So I have here 1. And the calculation, you are good in calculations. Yes, 7 divided 5, I will find it here. 7 divided 5. 7 divided by 5. How many 5 in 7? There are a 1. 1 by 5 equal 5. 7 minus 5 equal 2. Put decimal, don't stop, and put 0 down. How many 5 in 20? There are 4. And 20 here, 0, 0. So 1.4. So I erase everything here, or equal, as you like. Sorry, again, the same mistake. Okay. Okay. So it is 1.4 labs in 1 minute. Now I can compare between the two rates. The first rate give me this one, and the second rate give me this one. Which is faster? 1 and 4 tenth labs, or 1 and 375,000. Don't miss how to compare between two. This with this. This bigger than, so this is bigger. Okay, don't confuse. Okay, now so this rate is faster. This one is faster. Okay, my dear students, which is 7 labs in the in 5 minutes. Okay, my dear students, so what we learned in this lesson, okay, to compare between two rates, we have to write them in unit rate. Okay, this is first of all. Secondly, how I can find the unit rate of them? Just divide the number that represent the time by itself to make it 1. Okay, then you can compare easily. Thank you for watching. This is Muhammad Khair, and I hope you get all the benefits. Thank you, my dear students. Goodbye.